What's going on YouTube about another video today? So today we actually got a replacement part for something that I've been needing to replace, but I've been too lazy to replace. Also have him back in the video right here, the good little boy. Let me go ahead and turn the camera and show y'all. A brand new carbon lip from EOS. CS style though, CS style. No more of the HT style. I've been wanting to change this, but I like the other lip. I said, might as well just run it at the time. We're gonna go back to the CS style now. For free? As you can tell, here's the old ones. From the surface, from the top, it looks like, oh, it's still pretty good condition. Little crack right here. Shattered right here. But that's not the point, because you look under, it's super worn down. It's so sharp. Like that edge right there cut me up, and so did that edge. So, ooh, the inside. The bumper is so dirty. That's not the point. We're gonna replace this, because we get a show coming up this Saturday, and I'm not part of the show or none, but I still want to look presentable, and that's how that front lip. Oh, also we added this to the car the other day. Boom. Surprisingly, I have a lot of requested messages, I'm not gonna lie. This is when I'm at work and stuff like that, but let's go ahead and jack this car up. I'm gonna use jack stands to put on those ramps under the wheels, and then put the new front lip on. All right, car's in the air. Well, this guy's spraying off his bed of the truck with his transmission fluid everywhere. We'll go ahead and measure the front bumper at the lowest point, I guess you can say. I guess the highest point, which would be dead middle. All right, so from ground to lip at the lowest point, about 9.5-ish. Obviously on the ramps and everything like that. Sides about almost 7. Front tips, 9.5. Change that out, and then we'll see how low it is. In my opinion, I think this should be a lot lower, because one, the front part that hits the bumper goes down and then out, and along with that, it's also very thick. So we'll see what happens here. Get a closer look at the EOS carbon for y'all. On Extreme Online Sports, y'all didn't know. I'll link it in the description. Don't even trip. Let's go ahead. I put 3M tape on my lips to make it more secure. And I'm gonna go ahead and put that on the car. First, I gotta remove this lip first. Should just be a couple screws, because when I wrap the car, I put screws on it instead of more 3M. So let's go ahead and do that. Quick side by side. This old one, I missed a 3M right there. Old one. This new one. Way thicker, way beefier. Just better in every possible way. Also, this part's massive, so it actually will be very prominent on the car. Also, the mounting spot, the bumper sits right here. This is where the bumper, so you can see there's like a lip. Looks a lot better. And there's winglets on the side. This is a CS style, which matches my lips, my side skirts, and the wristbands. So go ahead and put the 3M on, and I'll show you what it looks like. All right, dude, it has 3M on everything. So go ahead and line it up and put it on the car. So look at the difference on how thick it is compared to my worn down one. I mean, this one did its job, but it's time to upgrade, so. I'll go ahead and drill this in, and then we'll drop the car down to the final number. After we drill it in, we'll measure with the tape to see what the difference is. Our front lip is fully on. Go ahead and measure it with the tape. Last one said 9.5, I'm pretty sure. Now it's at 8, or less than 8. So this dropped 1.5 inches. This thing dropped 1.5 inches compared to that one. I'm not gonna lie, that's kind of crazy, bro. This should be a lot lower than how it was before. God damn, I miss the CS style so much, but I'm like, this is like the lip he'd run on this generation STI, bro. I do like the little winglets on the end. Makes it look way more aggressive. I miss this shit, bro. I feel like it's not fully lowered yet until C wheel gap. So I'm gonna jump on a little bit, maybe changes. Alrighty, y'all. So it's been about a week or two since we last did the front lip install. I'm not gonna lie, I've already banged it up, but I got a little busy, so I couldn't record this next spot for y'all. But AKA, I've been trying to do this for a while now, and I've been holding it off, and it's finally time to do it. Finally time to wrap the roof. And then with that, I just bought some little accessories, not even for that, it's just exterior stuff, I guess you can say. But ever since I got the Tomei, honestly, this exhaust right here is a single exit. So I just put this as a decoration template. But I never found anything cool that I liked until I found this black STI toe strap. That I was like, I'll probably go really good with this. So excuse this clip, that's for something else. But the main part of the video is all this front lip with that roof wrap, just to get it done with. gotta take the antenna out right now. Currently trying to take out the antenna. Interior's a mess. Door handles are out. Not door handles. The OSHA handles are out with the clips, and I just pulled the pop clips where the airbag is at in the back. Just go ahead. I'm gonna get whenever that antenna comes out, I'm gonna show you how to actually wrap the roof with the antenna. So I'll get back to y'all.
I see it. What's that? It's a clip on the top. No, this is red thing.
Alrighty, so couldn't get the full shark fin out because the clips are a bit. But I just realized I just do it from lifting up like this. And I just kind of slid down the middle, just wrap inside there. I'm not taking off the carbon overlay because obviously the roof's already black. I just probably go like right here with it. This is fine. Maybe if I have to. Just leave that as is. So let's go ahead, just clean up this roof and then get started to wrap. Alrighty, roof is all clean. Excuse this. This is actually my paint gone. So excuse that. Let's go ahead and wrap it black just to protect the paint for future. And move on to the antenna. Done. Sorry, I kind of locked in and just kept going. Everything's all tucked, trimmed. I just cut it off right here and I just put it under. The antenna's tucked on. Antenna is also wrapped. Everything's good. Boom. Let's go ahead and install this. All right, here's the before and after. Oh my days, it's windy. Yeah, honestly, for me, it looks so much better. The white STI logo with the black just kind of blends in, more low key. Also, it's also a lot thicker and more sturdy, so that's why I like it too. But overall, no, I haven't been posting for y'all. I think for this one, it should be about 3 weeks or so. Been hella busy, had it working on people's cars, helping them out for, I know I start school again Tuesday actually. So, but I'm gonna go ahead and end the video off here. Hit the like button if you like the new front lip. I already banged it up, but that's just the heart of the low life, so that's what it is though. I'll catch you on the next video, but if y'all do, please subscribe. But we're so close to 7, so I really do appreciate every one of y'all, and I'll catch you on the next video.